Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add pages to your Shopify store. Right, so this is my Shopify store here and this is one of the page which I just added recently, and I can show you there's a various kind of pages you can add to your Shopify store and it's really easy. So let's just go by one. So here you have to just go and tap on online store. Automatically you will see this option of pages. Now go here. If you want to add a page, so let's say that I'll just go and click on add a page here, and this page is going to about us, right? And this is content ID, so I will just write here, basically you can say that this ChatGPT, similar to ChatGPT. So I'll just write here, write about us page, and I will just go and click on generate, right? So by the way, you can just mention each and everything. You can just enter your page is useful for so many things. You can add your social media links, you can add your size chart, right? If you're selling clothes and all those stuff, right? So it will just become very easy for you guys. You can add a video, images, links, and there's a lot of things, right? So I'll just add a text here, and once everything is done, I will just go and click on save, right? And once you go and click on save here, you can just view the page. So let me show, and this is a page which I just added up, and it's really easy to do this. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.